How to fix Snapchat bug. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and go to storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click on OK. And now go to your App Store or Play Store, update your Snapchat. If it's not updated, then go and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.